Healthy Brussels sprout and spinach salad. So first what you're going to want to do is take about 3 Brussels sprouts, wash them, slice them thinly, and then place them in a bowl of your choice. So this is about a half of a cup that I'm going to pour in. Next, grab some spinach, slice it thinly, and place about a half of a cup into your salad bowl. Then take a fourth of a cup of diced apples and place them into your bowl. And then in addition, place about a fourth of a cup of chopped pecans into your bowl. Yummy! In a separate bowl, add in 1 tablespoon of delicious aged balsamic vinegar. This is from Costco. I'm sure you knew that. Now add about 1 teaspoon of your favorite extra virgin olive oil, about a half of a teaspoon of coarse black pepper, and then about a half of a teaspoon of kosher salt. Now add about 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This will help so that the dressing does not separate. Whisk it thoroughly and then pour over the salad. Enjoy!